Hello, welcome to my room. Come in. So this is my door. This is a little birthday thing my sister made me. Fun fact, I drew all of this, hence my signature. It's my happy birthday card. She wrote it in Comic Sans because it's the worst font ever to exist. So behind my door, this is a whole bag of yarn that I have yet to accomplish. Fun fact, I wanted to make the Harry Styles cardigan, so I bought $50 worth of yarn for one video, and I still never touched it at all, and I only have 4 squares made, and this is going to be done in like 2050, but you know. I have a bag of yarn at the back of my door to inspire me to knit a cardigan. So this is my closet. On the back we have a bunch of my bags. One is missing because it's my normal bag. That's my dog barking if you can't tell. Her name's Zoe. She doesn't know how to shake paw. Don't add that part in, it'll call PETA. So on the back of my closet, these are all of my bags. Some of them I wear, some of them I don't. Yeah, it's kind of falling apart, hence the... Okay, so that's falling apart, but besides that, this is the back of my closet. Okay, now we'll go inside the closet. So this is the inside of my closet. This is where all my clothes are. I have cardigans on this side, skirts and dresses here, hoodies all over here, pants here, shorts here, tank tops, t-shirts, and long sleeves and stuff. If you guys want to see a more in-depth closet tour, I just made one. I don't know when I'm going to post it, but you know, it will be in the iCard or link down below. It's a whole closet organization video. Up here is a bunch of useless things I don't need, like Nintendo Switch boxes, Canon boxes, photo albums, an old clock, a bunch of things I don't use. So they all just go up there. Sometimes they go underneath, but they collect too much dust. Gross. But we don't talk about that. So this is my shelving unit. Fun fact, when I get up from bed at night sometimes, or I'm going to plug in something, sometimes I always hit my head on this because look how wide they stick out. I only have this much space between me to like not hit this, but that's okay, we still like them. I have 2 little fake plants because I can't keep normal plants alive. I have a Polaroid. I have a little film camera, it's so cute, I thrifted it. Normally the camera you're on goes right here with the charger, and up here is Christmas decorations because I can't figure out what else to put in there for summer, so Christmas decorations stay in there. Okay, so this is my hot girl drawer. It's a TikTok reference if you don't get that. So right here is a letter E. I have my Hey Google. That's my Google. I have headphones, and then I always have a cluster of water bottles and iced coffee. This is my favorite drink ever. It's the Tim Hortons iced coffee. Okay, so inside my drawers we have Tamagotchis. We have a bunch of Advil bottles because I live off of that, and more cables. Down below we have even more boxes, Nintendo games, prescriptions, a bunch of stuff like that. That all lives down there. This is my bed. It's a queen size bed. I like it, it's comfortable. If you can't tell by now, my entire room is white, black, and gray themed because I just don't like color and I like shades of black, white, and gray. So that's my entire room theme. And we have a cute little boba plush. This is from Boba Origin. I received it from Ascendant when they sent me over sweaters. It's super cute, so he always just chills here. And then we have a matching blanket at the end of my bed. And yeah, my room's just all white, black, and gray. Okay, so above my bed, right here, there's what is this? The New York Bridge? And then over here, come this way. So over here, I just have another little mirror so I can look at my outfits for the day. I have my laptop here. This just chills here because there's no room for it. I have my dad's iPad, and I have a stash of books that I no longer read because I just don't read books anymore. So in this drawer, I have a bunch of tech-related things, gold birthday cards, film packs, film stocks, batteries, and all of that stuff. Down here, oh, this is from my Harry Styles sweater. This is all I have for it. You could tell it's not enough to make a sweater yet, but I'm in the process. And then there's Animal Crossing packaging from their lip kits that I bought from them. There's extra fabric, random things. This is kind of a mess. I don't really touch this one. You know how everyone has a junk drawer? This is mine. Technically all of them are. Alright, so over here is my IKEA Raskog cart. I did an organization video on this if you guys want to watch it, where I organized the entire thing. But up here is my camera gear. Down here is DIYs and craft stuff. I go through a lot of DIYs. I have a lot of hobbies when I get bored. And then this is kind of like miscellaneous. There's my microphone, my yarn, my Apple Pencil headphones. That's just kind of a mess, and it just chills in the corner with my tripod and my ring light. I don't know why I made that sound so exciting. It's just a ring light. Okay. On to the next part of my room is my desk. So this is my whole desk area. This is my iMac. It's actually not mine. It's my work computer, if you don't know already. I say this in every video. I work from home. That's my new personality trait. So this is all my stuff here. I have a bullet journal that I don't use anymore. I have a bunch of pens and pencils. And here is kind of a complete mess. It's a bunch of random receipts and stuff like that. Don't share my debit card stuff. And then back here we have all my USB stuff and light. And it's really dusty over here. I don't know how to get rid of the dust. I keep cleaning it every week. On my windowsill is my favorite part. I have a little block that says, love what you do. It's my favorite quote, do what you love and love what you do. I only found the second half of it though. Then I have two little crystals here, except they're kind of weird. Sometimes they make puddles on my windowsill, and I think that's a bad sign. I don't know. Let me know if you know anything about crystals down below. And then we have cards. These are like little postcards that all the brands that I've worked with, aka the 2 brands, but they sent me little cards, so I keep them on my windowsill. It's just like a nice reminder. It makes me really happy. This is the fan that keeps me cool in the summer heat. When it's winter, I replace it with the heater. This is the second mirror in my room. I have a lot of mirrors in my room. I honestly wanted to add a 4th mirror, but my family said no, so I'm stuck with 3. But this one's super cute. It's a circle. Anyways, if this ever falls, it's very heavy and it'll probably crush my toe. I need a nice coffee break. Anyways, this is my vanity dresser wall unit. I don't know what it's called, but I spend a lot of time here looking at myself. Okay, so anyways, we'll start off with this. Fun fact, I've been trying to get like a mirrored or like acrylic one, but I can't find it, so I'm stuck with this dollar store one, but it does its purpose. It has a bunch of really old makeup that I used in my competitive figure skating days, back when I was like 8 years old, so a lot of this makeup is very bad and old, and I need to get rid of it. But have I done that yet? No. Is it gonna stay in there for a long time? Yes. Over here is a cute little mirror from IKEA. Here's a hairbrush. This is the new thing that I added to my room. It's just like a little tray. It has my Ariana Grande perfumes, my 2 makeup things that I use a lot, the claw clip and my little pearl hair clips. And then over here, this is my little acrylic thing. I also thrifted this one. It just holds like deodorant, dry shampoo, moisturizer, Aveeno, hair ties, scrunchies, hair clips, all of that stuff, and like bracelets and stuff down here. And these drawers, if you want to see what's in them, you should go watch my closet reorganization video, because I go through all of them. And yeah, go view that one because I'm not sharing it in both videos. This is my mirror. This is a photo of my best friend Nayab and I. And up here is a photo of my best friend Hannah and I. I've known Hannah since kindergarten, so she's always up here. That's my fan. I guess I can
your
show
biggest
you
fan, you could
yeah.
say. Oh.
Okay, let's go to my bathroom. Is he in there?
I don't know.
Alright, so this is my bathroom. It's currently having window issues, hence the window thing on the ground, but normally that's not there. Over here is a laundry basket and a pile of clothes. You know when like the clothes are like dirty, but they're not dirty. Like they're too dirty for your closet, but they're still clean enough to not go in the laundry. That's what these are. Over here is a really ugly candle, but this is my plant. And then on this side over here, I have all of my medications, you know, Tums, A535, vitamins, hairspray, alcohol, micellar water. And then I have stomach pills so I don't die. And I have puff first so I don't die. And then I have a toothbrush. It's an electric toothbrush. Thanks to Ryan for getting it for me. We got toothpaste, soap.
Do they know who Ryan is?
If you didn't know, Ryan's my boyfriend. Behind my door is a huge Snuggie blanket, a bathrobe, and a scarf. Things I don't touch until winter. This is cream because of eczema, and a shower cap. Oh, and a bunny one, look! It's funny.
Cute.
Except sometimes it hurts my head. It pulls my head back and it hurts my eyeball.
It's usually for people with like short bangs to get them out of their face while they wash their face.
I just bought it because it was cute. Alright you guys, that is my monochromatic room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was gonna be like, if you want another room tour, just let me know, but I don't have any other rooms to show. If you want a $1 million mansion house tour, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be glad to do that. Okay, but anyways, thank you again so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!